Modymix, a brand new company on a mission to transform health through intelligent solutions. The pancake and waffle baking mix is crafted for health-conscious individuals and those mindful of their carb intake with features of high fiber, all-nature ingredients, and unique carb rebalance strategy. Let's get started. Follow the instructions and whip up some fluffy, nutritious pancakes. The baking mix comes in 3 levels: primary, advanced, and super. Today we're using the primary mix with its original flavor. Let's follow the instructions on the package and begin our pancake adventure. Start by adding 3/4 cup of primary baking mix to a bowl. Crack in 1 egg, or if you prefer, use an egg substitute or even just water. It all works beautifully. Next, pour in 1 cup of milk. You can choose any milk alternative or simply water, depending on your preference. I'm using low-sugar milk today to help manage my carb intake. Gently whisk everything together until the batter is smooth and well combined. Since this mix is packed with high fiber, multiple grains, seeds, and nuts, it's best to let the batter rest for 5 to 10 minutes to fully hydrate. As it rests, the batter may thicken a bit. If needed, just add a splash of water to reach the perfect consistency for fluffy pancakes. Preheat a nonstick skillet over medium-high heat and lightly grease it with oil or butter. To test if it's ready, hold your hand just above the pan. You should feel a gentle warmth. Now scoop about a 1/4 cup of batter and pour it onto the pan. Want bigger pancakes? Use half a cup or even a full cup. Today I'm making 5 pancakes as suggested on the package. Turn the heat down to medium-low and let the pancake cook for 2 to 3 minutes until small bubbles form on the surface and the edges look set. Once bubbles appear, it's time to flip the pancakes. Cook for another 1 to 2 minutes until golden brown and cook through. The cooking time may vary depending on your heat settings. The pancakes are ready to be picked up. Just look at them. Aren't they gorgeous? I'll repeat this process for the next 2 pancakes. Now stack your warm, fluffy pancakes on a plate and get creative with toppings. Add fresh berries, a dollop of yogurt, or a drizzle of sugar-free syrup. Whatever you like best. Enjoy your homemade, wholesome pancakes. Alongside our pancake making process, we've included a table showcasing the key nutrition facts for a single pancake made using the standard method with both egg and milk. Additionally, it provides a comparison of variations prepared without egg, without milk, or without either ingredient. Please note that the data shown is for reference only, as actual values may vary depending on the specific egg or milk used. Thanks for watching.